And we're rolling
Yay!
after the stressful
Oh my god, Ayari. How did
morning.
you manage to do that?
Hopefully, this will turn out. I have no idea if it's going to turn out or not.
Love the spirit. Love
Love
the
the
not
spirit.
giving up attitude.
That's what it has done, moving abroad.
Whoa! Whoa! Jumping onto the topic.
There is a
The
new
Rocky.
problem every day, every week when you move abroad. And that's what it does to
Struggling
you.
and figuring it out.
You become even more jugadu, I feel like.
Mhm.
Anyway, I'm Ayati.
I'm Pallavi, and welcome to
We're just
Jay.
saying.
Moving here has taught you so many things. What all did moving here teach you?
Like I was saying, I don't think people warn you enough about when you're moving abroad that there's gonna be a new problem every week, every year. Every year for whoop, every year for sure, because you have to find a new apartment every year. You might even have to find a new job. You have to like sort your visa situation every year, and you'll always be in that mentality of like, what next? What next problem do I have to solve? And I don't think I've ever been like mentally relaxed completely since I've moved here. It's been like close to 4 years now.
I mean, I get you. 4 years, long time. It's
Yeah.
been 2 years for me, but I think the one thing that I've learned is never get attached to anything here because everything is temporary. You know, Game of Thrones,
Yeah.
as soon as you start loving a character, they die. That is how it feels to be living in the UK.
With your dreams.
Yeah, you were in uni, you made friends.
Yeah.
That's also temporary, right? They move. You can never be
Mm.
with them. You can never continue meeting
Yeah.
them. There's no continuity in anything. You get attached to a house. Oh, time's up.
Yeah.
You need to leave.
Yeah.
Just like that, everything that's happening, a job, a house. Now we call it a home, right? We'll have to leave it someday,
Yeah.
very soon.
Yeah.
Like there's nothing permanent. It's all temporary.
It's
That's
all,
what I've learned.
yeah.
So never get too attached with anything and anyone.
But even at that point, you still need to enjoy it in a way, but with that bitter feeling in your mind that some days not gonna be the same. And what I like that you brought up is, about friends. I think that's one of the things you need to know once you come abroad is you're not gonna have a constant social circle,
Yeah.
because you're lucky if you do, but a lot of the times people move away for jobs. Even within the same city, if you change your neighborhood, I think your social circle just changes completely.
It's like we are very flexible to move because, bro, what are we even looking for? Jobs.
Yeah.
Like our end goal, we know what our end goal
Yeah.
is, right?
Whole
So
point of
we
coming
never
here.
stick to one place.
Yeah.
We're like, have you watched Ye Jawani Hai Diwani? We khana badoshi or something. So like,
गिरना चाहता हूँ, उड़ना
गिरना
चाहता हूँ, and all of that.
Yeah, like there is a song. I'll put the song.
Ilahi.
Exactly, yeah, Ilahi. It's so relate to that, bro. Like
Yeah.
he has one backpack. He goes पूरा
The
दुनिया
next gig
घूमता है,
comes.
पूरा दुनिया
Fly.
घूमता है, वही एक बैकपैक लेके.
Yeah.
रणवीर कपूर. वही
Yeah.
जीवन है हमारा.
Yeah. The thing that I didn't know before coming abroad is you're gonna have a lot of moments of just being by yourself in complete silence.
Oh yeah.
And that silence is deafening. You know what I mean? Even if you're like all by yourself in India, there's always like constant noise, constant
Noise.
festivals happening, constant this, that, your neighbors checking in, blah, blah, blah. Here, you're like, if you're living by yourself, if you have a day to yourself, it's actually absolutely quiet, and all you can hear is your thoughts just ringing loudly in your head.
Yeah, I get that. And also, I think it's good sometimes.
Yeah.
I mean, it helps you clear your mind. It
Yeah.
helps you understand more about yourself. What is your potential? What kind of a person you are?
Yeah.
Blah blah. But then at one point, if that keeps happening, that's gonna fuck
Yeah.
your brain up.
I mean, you do get a lot of time for like self reflection, but
Yeah.
it's that silence. This is the price we pay for doing a podcast in the train.
Yeah, guys, every day just for you guys.
Yep.
Send us some money. We'll drop the bank details.
Sponsors are welcome.
Yeah.
Barters are welcome too.
Everybody is welcome.
Everybody.
Whoever has money, welcome.
Yeah. We're not doing this for our passion,
No,
This
no,
is
no.
not our
Just-
hobby.
solely just for you guys and for money.
Yeah.
Thank you.
It reminded me of like when the ticket guy was like talking to other people. Is like one of the things that you don't know before coming abroad is small talk. And if you haven't watched our video on small talk abroad,
Go right there and watch it.
what else? What you tell me? Anything else? Like things you would want to tell someone before they move abroad from
Like,
your personal experience?
I would say you'll understand a lot about yourself
Mhm.
after you move to the UK. I was a person when I was back home, I was so dependent on my family.
Yeah.
I think every,
Yeah.
if I'll consider Indians, they
Yeah.
are mostly dependent,
Yeah.
over dependent on their parents,
Mhm.
right? So when I moved here, you'll understand so much about yourself. You'll understand your potential,
Yeah.
things that you're capable of. I never went anywhere alone all by myself when I was
Yeah.
back at home. Here, first time I went for an interview in Cambridge
Yeah.
alone, all by myself from Sheffield to Cambridge, and I was so overwhelmed and I was literally crying while going. I'm
Aw.
like, it feels so like, I don't know, different, and I feel so independent and like, oh, this is my money and like I'm going it. I'm
Yeah.
spending that money. I'm going to interview all by myself. Like, you know your journey within, and you
Hmm.
feel so proud of yourself. So whoever has come here, they should be so fucking proud of themselves.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But you have to mentally prepare yourself also to
Yeah.
go through all of those things.
And
It's
also, you will get circles, different circles. You need to know which is the right circle for you,
yeah,
because it's very easy to get in the flow
carried
and
away.
get lost,
Hmm.
right? You will have good type of people, you'll get bad people as well. Like, bad people is not like really bad people, but like, I mean, people who like to party, who like to do things, and that's okay.
Yeah.
But like,
But know
people
your
get carried
limits.
away, yeah,
Yeah.
with all those things. I know people have got carried away, and then probably at a point, the things that they came here for didn't
Yeah.
achieve and they had to go back. So like,
Yeah.
considering all those things,
Yeah.
so yeah, just follow your instincts and do the right thing.
Yeah.
What
That
about
is
you?
so wise, by the way.
Yeah.
You know, you reminded me of something. You said something about, money and friends and something. My tip to everyone who comes abroad is cling on to the things that matter to you, especially
Yeah.
money, because when you're out here by yourself and your money is completely yours, right? It's very easy to
Easy
let
to
it go,
spend, yeah, very easy.
because there'll be so many instances where situations will ask you for money and you wouldn't even know, gone. Like,
So many places to spend money, bro.
yeah, and it's not just like recreational stuff. I'm talking about real shit like
Yeah.
visa,
Mm.
gone. 2,000, 3,000
3K
pounds
gone.
in one shot.
Bro,
And
you
then you
spend a
have
year
your,
to save that.
yeah,
And just like that.
because, and if you end up spending in that and also spend in a lot of like time pass activities, then you're gonna be left
Yeah.
with nothing. And the whole point is that you want to create a wealth for yourself. That's why
Yeah,
you are
a
like
future for yourself. You should feel
living
secure.
away from your family and stuff. If you don't make anything out of it at the end of it, it's a bit counterproductive,
Yeah.
in my opinion. Like, people can have different outlooks about
No, I
it.
support you on that. 100%.
Yeah.
My papa always tells me, तू अकेले रह रही है, तेरा सिर्फ एक ही भाई माँ बाप है, वो है तेरा
हाँ.
पैसा. Make
Oh,
sure,
wow.
because that is the only thing that's gonna help you.
Yeah.
What if a situation comes that I'm not able to send anything? You are in a deep fucking shit.
Mm.
The only thing,
Mm.
and the only person, consider it as a person.
Yeah.
Also. The only person that's gonna help you is fucking money.
Yeah.
तो तुम सिर्फ पैसा ही मदद करेगा.
Yeah.
तो make sure you always have good amount of
Yeah.
spare money with yourself, for only for reason, not for party or not
Yeah.
to spend on your visa, for your own thing. If you get in a deep shit,
For your own
ever.
peace.
For your own
safety.
peace.
Yeah.
Because you feel so happy, Ayati. Like, I don't know
Yeah.
about you, but I do.
Yeah.
Like, if I know I have a 5 grand in my bank account,
Yeah.
just saved.
Yeah.
Rest everything my monthly kharcha,
Yeah,
that's
yeah.
different. 5 grand I have saved in my account. इतना mentally peace, financially
Yeah.
peace, इतना अच्छा महसूस होता है.
Mm.
You feel so confident about yourself. You know,
Yeah.
अरे fuck you, I can do everything. Like, you have that mentality.
Yeah.
Like, you know, you don't need to ask
No
your parents.
compromise.
Yeah, no compromise.
That's
Yeah.
true. So yeah, cling on to your money, cling on to the people that you find are
Yeah.
good for you as well, because you will meet loads of people here, but finding your vibe, your tribe is very like it's a lot of trial and error.
Yeah.
Like you need to keep putting yourself out there, meet a bunch of people. It's very exhausting, to be honest, but eventually you will find some people, and yeah, just stick
Yeah.
on to them.
Yeah.
That is your network here, that is your family in the sense, because obviously you have your family back home and stuff, but in terms of emergency, you need anything, you can't keep bothering everyone who's like back home.
Yeah.
So
True.
that's your
What are
network.
they even gonna do from there,
Yeah,
bro? They'll
exactly.
take 2 days to come here.
Yeah, but it's beautiful though that you can like start
Yeah.
all over again,
Yeah.
start afresh with a new set of people, new set of jobs, new set of tasks, and everything as well.
It's a good feeling. Change is always gonna be uncomfortable, but always gonna be exciting as well.
Yeah,
Change can change you.
Yeah.
Change can change your things.
yeah, but that's
So-
what's like moving abroad done to me, is that it's made me more comfortable with change, because everything keeps changing so much
Yeah.
that I remember I used to be like really like hesitant when it comes to change. I used to not like it as much, but like it's been 4 years. I've changed like 4 5 houses. I've changed 2 3 jobs. I've changed so many social circles that I've kind of gotten used to it now. And I don't think I would have ever gotten used to it if I didn't go on this process.
No.
So going forward, also I'm like, okay, if I do need
It's
to
fine.
change, it's
Yeah,
fine. Yeah, I've
change.
done this so many times. I can do it again.
Again, all over again.
Yeah.
No. It's beautiful in a way.
Yeah.
I think it just hurts for a while, but it's all
Yeah.
fine.
Yeah. I think one very important thing for me, like moving abroad, has done is that in a very weird way, you belong to nowhere and everywhere.
Oh, I've heard it so much. Yeah, no, seriously. So true.
Yeah, right. Because I have parts of me that are in India, I have parts of me that are in UK, and because I'm going on trips to different places and stuff, I I used to belong to like my Indian memories, but now I also belong to my memories in the UK.
Yeah.
And it's like weird because if I go back home and I talk to people about my UK memories, they won't get it. But I talk to my UK friends about those memories, they will obviously get it. So it's like certain parts of me.
It's like, have you seen Ajay Devgan's movies? His leg will be on the other
Two
bicycle.
bikes.
Haan.
This is
That's
Ajay
us.
Devgan. Yeah.
I'll put Ajay Devgan here.
Yeah.
So that is us in India, that is us in abroad. So हमारे दोनों पर ऐसे चलते हैं. We always
हाँ.
like this.
But it's a privilege to have that.
It is a privilege.
It's very
so
confusing
fucking great.
also.
Yeah, I mean, kinda, but no, it's a privilege. Always a privilege. Always be proud. Be
Yeah.
grateful.
Yeah.
Be fucking grateful for everything that
Yeah.
you've got. Your parents wouldn't have had this life, bro. I don't know which family you come from, whoever is watching, but my parents didn't. So I'm so fucking
Yeah,
grateful.
probably
I'm
the
pretty sure.
first people in our lineage only
Yeah.
to be out here thriving.
Yeah, exactly. Like
Hustling.
it's such a proud thing, bro.
Yeah.
Like such a proud. People don't understand. Right? Like just so fucking proud to
Yeah.
be doing what we are doing right now.
Mm.
So yeah, in a different country, us making podcasts. Didn't even know who she was.
Yeah. So that was
Beautiful.
some of the things that we thought that might be worth sharing with
Yeah.
you before you make the decision to move abroad.
Yeah. What all things UK taught us apart from just weather change?
Yeah.
Because that is going to be there. Everybody tells you about that.
Yeah, seasonal depression is real. I mean, autumn is here, winter's gonna start soon. You're gonna look at us wearing our coats soon.
Winter's gonna start. It's kind of a cozy and a good feeling as
It's
well.
a
but
good
I'm like,
vibe
no, I just hate the
sometimes.
fact that it gets dark at 3.
Yeah.
That's
That is
the
one
saddest
thing that I still cannot wrap my head around sometimes. I get used to it every winter, I forget about it in every summer, and then
Yeah.
again I have to get myself used to
Oh my
it.
god, again?
Yeah. I think that sense of lack of control on your feelings that are associated to the daylight is still a work in progress. And even people who live here struggle with it. So I'm like, okay,
हाँ,
whatever.
तुम तो कर रहे हो तो हमारा
Yeah.
ठीक है हमें तो 4 ही साल हुए हैं
Exactly.
ठीक है चलो
Anyway.
आज के लिए इतना काफी है
आज के लिए इतना काफी. अगर और थॉट्स आएंगे तो वी विल शेयर इट इन द नेक्स्ट एपिसोड.
यति टॉकिंग इन हिंदी गाइस ओह माय गॉड
करे क्या एक पॉडकास्ट हिंदी में?
पॉडकास्ट करे क्या हिंदी में
करे.
मसाला चाहिए मसाला ओके बाय
बाय.